Hello, and welcome to the channel Easy English Daily, learning podcast and real conversation.
Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. I'm Liam and this is my friend Chloe. How are you today, Chloe?
Hi, Liam. I am a bit tired, but I am happy to be here. How are you?
I feel great. I went to the gym and I drank a lot of water. I have a lot of energy.
Wow, a marathon. You were very active. I just found my socks.
Today, we are talking about our daily life. We will talk about what we do from morning to night.
Yes, everyone has a routine. It is very good to practice English with this topic.
That is true, but first, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. So, Chloe, tell me, what is the first thing you do in the morning?
Oh, I don't like the morning. My alarm is very loud. I stay in bed for 20 minutes before I get up.
Only 20 minutes? I get out of bed very fast. I like the morning.
You are different, Liam. I am very slow in the morning. I just sit and think.
I don't like that. I take a cold shower. It helps me wake up.
A cold shower? That is scary. I like a very hot bath. It is very relaxing.
I see. Do you drink coffee or tea in the morning?
I drink green tea. I love the taste. It is very calm. What about you?
I like strong coffee, black coffee with no sugar. Then I eat some food and check my work.
You always look very nice, Liam. How do you choose your clothes?
I choose my clothes the night before. It is very easy and fast.
I am not like you. I stand in front of my clothes and I don't know what to wear. It is difficult.
How do you go to work? Do you drive a car?
I take the train. I like to listen to music or read a book on the train.
I like the sun and the air. I ride my bicycle to work. It is good for my health.
You were very brave. I like the train because it is safe.
When you are at work, what do you do first?
I am an artist. I draw and think of new ideas. I don't check emails in the morning.
I check my emails first. I want to finish my work early.
What do you eat for lunch? Do you bring food from home?
Sometimes I eat a snack, but usually I buy food at a small shop. I love tacos and pizza.
I make my food at home. I make salad every Sunday. It is cheap and healthy.
I spend some money on food, but it's okay. After lunch, I sleep for 20 minutes. It helps me feel better.
I can't sleep at work. I go for a walk to get some fresh air.
At 6 p.m., I finish work. I go to the park because I like trees and flowers.
You are very active in the evening. I like to paint pictures when it is quiet.
Do you live alone, Chloe, or do you have a roommate?
I have 2 dogs. Their names are Daisy and Duke. They are very happy when I come home.
I have a small tree. It is very quiet, but I like it.
I eat dinner and then I watch a movie. It is very fun.
I don't watch TV at night. I write in my notebook. I write about my day. It helps me sleep.
That is very nice, Liam. Maybe I should do that too. No more phone at night.
Try it. It is very good. Well, we don't have more time.
Time goes very fast. We need to go now.
Yes, please write a comment. What do you do every morning? Do you drink coffee or tea?
Thank you for listening to us.
Practice every day. See you next time. Goodbye.
Goodbye, everyone. See you.
Thank you for your listening. Please like and subscribe for more video.